If yours will test the pressure handling of an actual garden hose. So I've got a crappy fitting on the end of that. I'm going to start the pump up. Oh yeah, got the pressure on there. Get the air out first. Fire should turn it on, eh? Get some more water flowing, some more volume in there. Get all the air out. Air out, look at that. Yeah, it's going to close. Now it should pop off. There we go, I blew the hose. I blew the garden hose up. Wow! Wow! Amazing! Wow, the hose blew up. I was going to get a pressure gauge hooked up for this. I was expecting that cheap piece of crap fitting to pop off. Wow! Huh. Test how much pressure the average garden hose can handle. Wow! Got kind of thick, that's for sure. And that's how you test your garden hose. Look where it blew out. Nice bubble there. She meant pop. Oh, I'll take this off and there should be a nice imprint of the there is two. It's got 3 ball bearings in there and they brought onto this little thing here. It's good quality fitting. I'll get the other one. I'll do a quick test but not for long. You should see some shoe marks where I put the other one. It's a slight indentation there of the with a ball bearing bit it. Put a nice indentation there, one there, and there's one here. I gripped, so that's a good fitting that. It's a great way to test your fittings from Bunnings. You've got any crappy ones from Bunnings and you don't like them, just put them on there and this will just blow them up. This is better, see this one? One there, there. That's a Gardena brand fitting, a good one. See how much force the ball bearings bit into that. I'm surprised that cheap hand checker nozzle didn't bang. That was amazing. I took that, the hose blew out first. Wow. Wasn't expecting that. What a result. He went pop. I didn't expect the hose to fail. That's amazing. I'll get another hose, I reckon. I've got that garden hose there. It's been sitting in the sun for years. That'll go nice. Basically got all brass fitting here on the discharge side. I'm probably going to change that fitting so it doesn't leak on the intake. This thing's amazing. I find a grease nipple can screw into that. I've got a little cheap syringe which is used to burn the cats with. I'll just reuse it as a grease pump. Pump some grease in there. It's a bit quieter. It's a bit quieter. Made an improvement. Just clean all the old gunk out of there. So I can see if the new grease bled through or not. Normally I should bleed out the front, but if I put a grease nipple on there, get a hand pump, should be able to pump more in there. This thing's working amazing. I can hear the valves clicking over the pressure. So this thing's amazing. There you go. I'm just going to hook a pressure gauge to the end of that. And that's my next project. Get some brass fittings and a pressure gauge. Hook it up to the end of this garden hose and I can do some more tests. What the burst pressure of it is, and I get some newer hose. Oh, I've got a short bit somewhere. I might have a short bit of newer garden hose. I can test the various brands. Cheap versus a more expensive garden hose. I can test their burst pressure. That'd make for a good YouTube video. Which garden hose is best? That's a Gardena hose. It'll be the plastic fittings would fail on that before the hose would, I reckon. Should try that. But the other hose got nice and fat. I saw the whole hose swelling up, puffing up under pressure. That thing's amazing. But it's not practical for pressure washing, though, because it's just short, high pressure bursts. That's all it's really good for. But for things like this pump's amazing. There we go. This could on a pressure testing rig now for various brands of garden hose. Amazing. Reliable fitting that. It's amazing the other end didn't pop the plastic off. I was expecting my original theory was that the ball bearings are going to cut through that and this fitting will pop off. But that stayed put. It's actually an adequate quality plastic for the ball bearings are bought into. You see there? They started boiling through really on that one. Amazing how much pressure that took. Eventually, if I could find a decent hose, I could replace the garden hose with some high pressure hose and then just test the fittings. Put some plastic fittings on that end, we can see what pressure they can pop off at. Yeah, opens up a whole new chapter now. Testing garden hose and various brands of fittings for what they are, how reliable they are under pressure. So I can open this tap up full town water pressure, and then this will just boost it. Amazing. Yeah, I'm going to have some fun with that. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.